Demonstration of online exam proctoring process. In this training video, I am going to show you how you can do the remote proctoring process for the remote exam invigilation process. As a remote proctor, you can monitor remote candidates who are attempting the online exam. There are various features available for the proctoring. As a remote proctor, you can see the screen activity of the remote candidate while attempting the online exam. You can also initiate the live chat with the remote candidate. You can verify identity of the remote user. There is a facility available to pause, terminate, and resume online exam of the remote user. You can monitor remote exam as an invigilator to prevent cheating or exam malpractices. So let us get started with the demonstration process. So right now one of the candidate named Bharathi Ramanathan is showing his identity card. So as I click on it, I can see the identity card. I need to verify if this name of the candidate is same. So as I can see, photograph is matching and name is also matching, Bharathi Ramanathan. So I can click on approve button as shown. As soon as you click on approve button, that button will be invisible and candidate will be able to start the online exam as per the schedule. So identity verification is completed in this case. So as you can see, this is the overall proctoring user interface available where I can select the name of the exam and its associated schedule. I will be able to see all the candidate details like name of the candidate is shown and there are separate buttons available for the live chat or pause and termination of the exam. Right now examination process is in identity verification stage, so everyone is showing their identity card for the approval purpose. So if I click on it, I can see the candidate iCard which is being shown over here. As a proctor, you need to match the name of the candidate along with the name shown on the identity card. So this way you need to match those details. So here is the scenario where remote candidates have logged into the system and I have logged in as a remote proctor. I can see entire live streaming activity associated with each individual candidates. I can also initiate the live chat by clicking on this chat box. Even there is a facility to pause or terminate online exam. Even I can listen to the audio around the candidate. So here is the live chat box that is popping up where remote proctor can initiate the live chat or even remote candidate is also able to initiate the live chat. In the proctor view, there are two views available. One is gallery view and another is detailed list view. So if I click on list view, you can see the detailed information associated with each user where exam status is shown as in progress, candidate has approved, time remaining for the exam is 5 minutes, total number of times window switching happened for this particular candidate is 4, and I can initiate live chat, I can do the pause termination process, I can also listen to the audio around the user. So this way I can easily monitor, I can control or I can view the entire live streaming activity associated with remote exam. I can also view the remote exam screen view as well where a remote exam screen associated with the candidate can also be seen. In this scenario, there is no face or candidate is not present in front of the screen. So face not detected message has been shown over here. So in this scenario, face if candidate is looking around, then also face detection failure message will be shown. I can see the live streaming by clicking on the this button, and I can also initiate live chat with the candidate by clicking on this chat box as shown. So I can send a chat message to this candidate over here. I can also listen to the audio. So if your candidate is trying to speak during exam process, then that audio also gets recorded and I can listen to that audio over here. So entire activity associated with exam process is also streamed. Even I can see the screen recording associated with the exam as well. So this way you can easily monitor remote candidates, and we have provided two views where if you click on detail view, then detail view will be shown on the screen where you can see all the buttons associated with the exam or total time remaining associated with the particular candidate is also seen. plus number of times a candidate has tried to switch the exam window, that has also been shown over here. So this way you can easily monitor remote exams for the candidates, and using this gallery view you can see multiple candidates, like more than 20 to 30 odd candidates in the single view of the online exam process.